Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create and edit YouTube Shorts using Canva. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and head on to the Canva website, that is www.canva.com. Now just sign up and log in into your account if you already have an account, and just click on sign up if you still don't have an account. Now Canva is completely for free, but you have the option to try Canva Pro right about here, so just look into that if you want to try Canva Pro. But in this video, I'll be using the free version of Canva so that it is very accessible to everyone. Now first things first, all you have to do is to search for a template right here, and let's just say YouTube Shorts. So once you have done that, it will automatically lead you to a lot of templates. Now mind you, some are free and some requires a pro version of Canva and some requires a payment right about here. So with that, let's try and select a template that we want to use for our YouTube Shorts, and we'll use the free version. So let's say right here, I'm just going to use this one. So let's customize this template right here. Or if you don't want to customize a template, you can actually have the option to create a blank YouTube short right here. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a YouTube Shorts using Canva template. So as you can see right here, this is the template that we have currently selected. So I'm just going to play that real quick. Right about there. So I'm just going to play this one. As you can see right here, it is very nice. Now let's say we want to edit this one and add our own video. So for now, if you have a video in mind, just click on upload right here and click on upload files, and basically just select the video that you want to use. So for now, I'm just gonna go to elements right about here, and I'm gonna select date videos. So I'm just going to go to videos right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of videos that we can actually use. So for example, I'm going to retain this video, the intro to the video, and I'm going to, delete this one. So you can actually click on that and type on delete right there. You can delete everything that you want. And now all you have to do is to add your video. So to add your video, all you have to do is to click on the particular video that you want to add. Right about there. So as you can see, you can actually shorten the video by dragging it right about there. So we'll just set this one to 4 seconds because we are going for YouTube Shorts. And next is to actually to check if it is very nice. So there you have it. It is actually very good. Now, if you want to add some graphics of your video, like a heart, you can actually go to elements again and just search for heart GIFs right about there. There you have it. Just click on the video and you can actually resize that by dragging this one and repositioning it right about there. So next is we will try to edit this one. So if you have a video in mind already, let's just say let's delete this one right about there. So just go to the video right there. So let's say heart videos. So go to videos real quick, and as you can see, there are a bunch of heart video that we can actually use. So let's use this one. So just simply click on the video. So I'm just gonna put this video as background right about there. So I'm just gonna drag it real quick so that it will be shortened about there. And next is if you want to add some text to your YouTube Shorts, just go to text right here and click on add text box, or you can actually choose a text that has already been pre-made by Canva. So for now, I'm just going to use let's say this one, and let's change this to I love you right about there. And just going to reposition this real quick. There you have it. You can actually edit the font style, You can change the font size, and you can actually add some effects to it or animations. So to add an effects or animations, just click on the text box and go to animate. And as you can see, we have a lot of animations that we can actually use. So you have basic animations, you have some Exage animations right here. So I'm just gonna select this Exage animation right about there, and as you can see on animate, once you click on both, the animation takes place on entry and on exit. So if you only click on enter, it will the animation will only occur on the enter part, and on exit it will only occur on exit. So for now, I'm just gonna click on both right here. And as you can see, we are now currently done. So if you want to add some more videos to your YouTube Shorts, all you have to do is to click on Add Page right here, and of course, upload your video that you have in mind. Or if you don't have a video in mind, just go to Elements and search for a particular video that you want to insert right about here. So as you can see, we are currently done. So let's just see what we have currently made so far. So this is just for an example. Please don't bash me in the comment section. This is just for reference and for an example, and I hope you get the gist of this. So I'm just going to click on play right here, and there you have it. It is very good, and there you have it. So once you're done with that, you can actually go to share right here, and of course download the file or the Canva shorts or the YouTube Shorts we have created using Canva. And make sure to download all the pages, and of course make sure that the file type is MP4, and just simply click on download right here and wait for the download to process, and now you are good to go. So if you're wondering how you can actually make a YouTube Shorts using a blank canvas, or you want to make a YouTube Shorts from scratch, all you have to do is go to click on blank YouTube Shorts right here, and as you can see, it is basically the same. When you are creating a template, when you are referencing a template, but for now you will have a blank YouTube Short. So if you have a video in mind already, just click on upload right here, and of course just drag the video or click the video right here and reposition the video. If you don't have a video in mind, just go to Elements. I'm just going to say guitar videos, for example. I'm just going to the videos, and as you can see right there, you can actually set this video as background, and now you can add some text, you can add some more elements to it, and you can click on animate right here, whatever you want. So that's basically it. And as you can see, it is very easy and it is very simple, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!